This iPhone 12 came in for back camera issue. The phone was brought by a technician. He said he only replaced the back glass of the phone. Afterwards, the back camera stopped working. Unable to switch to back camera, we begin with physical inspection, which is our first SOP. After series of diagnosis on this faulted device, we eventually discovered that the technician overheated the phone during the process of removing the back glass. This is among the reasons why heat control is very crucial when using the blower. Heat control is a full topic on its own that will be extensively taught both theoretically and practically when you register for our training. This iPhone 12 motherboard is a sandwiched board that need to be separated, as the camera IC chip is beneath the upper layer board. We needed to reconfirm the output resistance of the camera circuit on the camera FPC before proceeding to the replacement of the IC chip. At T-Active Micro Soldering Technology, we don't just replace IC. We normally take our time to take the necessary readings and diagnosis before any action is taken on a motherboard. We are the repair company you can always trust with your iPhone, MacBook, and laptops. We take the responsibility of making sure your gadgets are always in good condition. Let's begin. Repair process. iPhone 12 back camera successfully fixed. It can now switch to back camera and also return to the front camera normally.